Hi, my name's Rain. Today's video is just going to be how I got this orange easy makeup look. So if that interests you, just keep watching and please don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from me. Okay, hey everybody. Okay, I'm just gonna start with the Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyelids. And then I'm just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. And I ended up having to add a little bit more just because I didn't get the coverage that I was looking for. And I'm just blending that in. And this just helps you have an even surface to put your eyeshadow on, and it also helps your eyeshadow stick and blend a little better. Okay, so now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild palette, and I'm gonna go in with this light transition shade and put that all in my crease and blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with this darker transition shade, and I'm gonna put that right where I put the other color and blend that out. Now I'm going in with this light pinky orange shade, and I'm going to add that all over the lid, all the way up to my crease. Now I'm going in with this orange shade, it's just a matte orange, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner and bring that all the way in halfway on the lid to my pupil. Now I just switched to a denser brush and I'm going in with the same color just because I wasn't liking the payoff that the other brush was giving me, and I'm just gonna pat and blend this in. Now I'm just setting my brush with setting spray, and then I'm just going to blend a little bit with the blending brush before I go in with the other one. Then I'm just going to go in with this shimmery orange color and pat that into the inner corner of the eye to the middle to meet that other orange with that brush that I wet with setting spray. Sorry about that. Okay, now I'm going back in with the original brush I used in the same matte orange, and I wet the brush this time, and I'm just going to darken out those outer corners some. Then just go back in with that original darker transition shade and just make sure that the edges of that are blended out really nicely. Then I go back in with the lighter one and do the same exact thing. Now I'm just taking a cleansing wipe and cleaning up all of the excess that fell off. And this had a lot of fallout. That's one thing I haven't liked about it since this is my first time using this palette. Now just blend that all together with a clean brush. Now I'm just using mascara because I was too lazy to put eyelashes on. I really suck at it and it takes me forever. I just wasn't up for it today. Okay, so I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. Okay, the last thing I do is just highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos from me.